that thing? Whoa!
No, it's now 11, and the outside temperature is 27 degrees. For everyone's safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off.
I want to do that with you, though. I want to do that with you. Simple view.
Never had TV, love, pretty green eyes, full of wonder and despair. It's alright, you enjoy yourself, never mind you, Mum, you enjoy your holiday as well. You never had TV, love, old school. You never had TV, love. You never had TV, love, pretty green eyes. Good night, God bless them. Thank you.
Okay, can you see anything? Do you know where we might be? Still not sure? Okay, we are really, really close now.
It must be the water slide because you said maybe.
Maybe.
Go to the water.
Go to the water park?
But now we're getting
Yeah.
You're the best uncle ever. This is the best day in my life.
Oh, yeah, we're going to have a fun day today. We have a really fun day.
Yeah, funner than a boat.
Whoa! Whoa! You alright, Jacob? Yeah. Good.
We're only like 5 minutes.
If I haver, hey, I know I'm gonna be the man who's favoring to you.
If I'm working, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the one who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you.
If I grow old, well, I know I'm gonna be the one who's growing old.
I'm absolutely ducking knackered. Absolutely ducking knackered. You'll see from the screen I have started my own rescue centre for neglected horses. If anyone follows me on Facebook or social media, you will find that I've rescued 9 so far, not just 1. But unfortunately I've had to have 2 put to sleep, so I've got 7, but 1 on Monday is getting rehomed in Scotland, so I'm getting 1 sent back to Scotland on Sunday, so he's got no Monday actually. I normally sell my DVDs at the end of my show anyway, but now what I'm doing is all the DVD money that I make from the sales goes straight to the horses. That's the only way I can pay for their stabling. I've got to raise €1,810 per month just to pay for their stables.
How do you turn it off?
Why? Stop.
That's it.
Stop me. Press the button on top.
I already did.
It's already on.
No, let's take a picture of Josh. Now, smile. Yeah, so it's unicorn. Unicorn. Right, I can't even see him. Wait.
Josh, what was your favourite part of the holiday? But what was Mario's favourite part of the holiday?
Make him say the thing that Mario always.
He liked the boat adventure, did he? Yeah?
What might be next?
What was your favourite part of the holiday, Bella? Nothing. Okay. Jacob, what was your favourite part of the holiday?
It was when we went on the water slide together. And also when you secretly took photos of us. And I like my Spidey. Let's go! It's me, Spidey! Backflip!
Lisa, what was your favourite part of the holiday?
Spending time with my lovely children and our cousin.
Aww, you're splendid.
For me, it has to be having a new family that I found 3 years ago. They're absolutely amazing. I've done it because I started crying.
That's so cute.
And finding my Lilo, and I wish I'd have found it sooner in my life. It should have been a happier bunny.
What was your favourite part, Bella?
Nothing.
Still nothing.
What's your favourite part?
You want to film me?
What's your favourite part?
My favourite part of the holiday was spending time all together as family.
Aww.